Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share another video in the how many plugs and connectors series. And this one is Suzuki Swift, the generation 2004 and early 2010. We already removed the head unit, and if you want to know how to remove the factory head unit, just look up another video in our system, and it comes like that from factory. And now behind the head unit it just have very few simple connector, but not all of them connected. Okay, so not all of them, and in this case we always see two, which was one of the standard radio antenna and one is the blue connection that including all the power, speaker and the steering wheel controls. So yep, that is Suzuki Swift, and this one Suzuki Swift 2009 generation 2004 and 2010. So thanks again for watching, and if you know that we are doing the 10-inch full setup upgrade for this car, so see you soon in the next one.